Melak ni mo. Boksok. Kapasian. Nawang le nanong pia kela sisuk neng tonon ken ongen ja. Tip tan ning lo ta ajila simma. Asong ngapun simma ami pida simma tip tan non tak mau silom pa gampal kapai lum sok. Nang ho pike wala nong pike tonon ken sisuk neng mo sok neng ning tang je tak jenga. Piang mama lo pa singam tak pita jenga. Tua jenga pasien. Pawo naku ta wala naku ngai mi ta thuke sak achi tak jenga. Tua jeng ororo pan ki pan tai. Lap lo dio ken kum khat dek nau je na ka sak dan. Mu khapel maleng. Ama mulo ka tak jenga o ru hong song pan mu nei teng ho ken fin mang he. Are you believe God can just? Do you have the healing power and prophecy? No. But in the same gave the Bible says, if you don't have the power, the healing, you cannot do the teaching, the prophet, pastor, you know, the gospel. The Bible says, John chapter 14, verse 12, Acts chapter 1, verse 4 to 8. Luke chapter 24, verse 49. The Bible says you need to wait for the healing and power, the delivery, the prophecy. If you don't have, you cannot do anything. You know, you don't do. I tell you again,